How to get a glass skin within 3 days with just using one ingredient, and that is rice. So today I am going to share with you that how you can prepare a rice cream at your home easily and effectively, and that will works 100% and it will give you a glow, smooth skin and all remove your dirts and dryness from your skin. So what you need to do is take a rice and then soak it into the water. The water should be more than the rice, and then soak it for 1 to 2 hours so that you can see how effectively the rice has grow up and it's larger than its normal size. Into the next step, take that rice and blend it into the blender with that water. So you will get a fine paste of that rice with the water, with the milky water that is extracted. So now you can see I am taking it out from the blender and now I am straining it into the strainer. So strain it easily with the help of strainer, or you can also use a cloth to strain the rice. After that, get that rice water that we had extracted. Now pour that rice water into the plate and keep it in under the sunlight so that this rice water will be dry and we will get a fine powder of it, which is called rice starch. So I get a rice starch and now we will prepare a cream of rice for our skin. So what you need to do is take a little quantity of that rice starch, or take 1 teaspoon of rice starch, then add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Now take 1 teaspoon of almond oil. If your skin is more drier, then you can take 2 tablespoons of almond oil according to your skin type, or if you have oily skin, then you can avoid this oil. Now mix all the ingredients very well to take a fine cream of that rice starch. Now add 3 vitamin E capsule into that cream to get its benefit and to get a glass skin within 3 days. You will get a glass skin instantly with this remedy because rice has so many benefits for the skin. As you all know, rice is used as a Korean secret cream, and also it is used in the Japanese as a secret cream. Now our cream is ready. You can apply that cream at night, but before applying it, properly wash your face, or you can also do a little bit cleansing to your skin. After that, apply that cream at night and leave it for overnight. Then at the next day morning, wash your face with the normal water and you will get a glass skin within just 3 days. Friends, it's worked amazingly. Must try it and let me know in the comment. Thank you for watching.